Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Virtu Toys channel. Exciting. I have two new cars in front of me. Basically they are resin models. Okay, they are by Inspire Model. Okay, it's a collaboration between Inspire Model and RobertDesign. Now RobertDesign is actually a designer, a 3D renderer on Instagram. He is quite known for quite a few of his quite crazy modified rendering. Okay, so Inspire Model and MC decided to work together with him, and in total I think there are quite a few RWB Beetles that is coming. So I do have two right in front of me right now, which I'm really very excited to share with you. Okay, so first things first is the packaging wise, it's really very premium, very different from what we have seen recently. This actually feels, rather than a paper, it does feel a little bit more like because of the finishing, the glossy finishing. So it does give it quite a premium feel to it. Okay, the only way you can tell what car is inside is from the side. Okay, excuse me. This one is blue, the blue color car. Okay, and then the other one that I have here is the black color car. All right. Okay, so let's get it out of the packaging. Outside, it's pretty straightforward. You can only see RobertDesign all over here and there on three sides. Okay, and this is the blue one that I want to show you guys. Okay, this is a open top cabriolet, which looks pretty sick, pretty crazy. Okay, all right. It has all of them has running numbers. These are resin models, so they are limited to only 300 pieces. So packaging wise, you can see it's Inspire Model collaboration with RobertDesign. You can check out RobertDesign on his Instagram. All right, RobertDesign. Okay, with a tree. Right at the back, you can see the outline of the RWB Beetle. Again, Inspire Model, RobertDesign. Underneath, you get the original license sticker. So it's an official collaboration project product with RWB and also with RobertDesign. That's pretty cool to have both endorse this product. It's pretty cool. Okay, Inspire Model. Okay, what we have at the back and top, you've seen it. Okay, cool. So that's the blue, and then let's check out the black. Okay. Oh, check that out. That's freaking cool. That's pretty cool. So resin, I think, if I'm not mistaken, there are 8 variants to it. Die cast, there is I think 16 variants in total. So there will be quite a few different RWB Beetle designs that will be coming along in the next couple of months. Really exciting. Okay, so I did a little bit of a shortcut. They are riveted. They are screwed onto the base with 2 screws. There's a metal plate up front. Okay, even the metal plate does look really very nice, very premium. Okay, because you're pretty much paying premium price for this resin models anyway. Okay, so I've taken it out of the box already because I want to show you guys them in its true form. Okay, of course we want to see the loose one lah, right? Okay, so I have them in my RWB setup here. Okay. Alright, let's check out the blue one first, because the blue one is the one where I feel it's pretty crazy. It's pretty crazy, this one. Okay. Wow, look at that. Look at the finishing on this thing. The details of the side mirror there. And check out the indicative lights. And it's really sick, man. Oh, look at that. That is pretty crazy. Okay, you can see the calipers in green. The head is really nice. Okay, because my aunt, my dad used to have a Beetle, which was I think sold or passed on to my aunt, and I do see that Beetle when I was younger. So I do remember this signal indicative lights that's on the front fender. Okay. So it's really very cool. Inspire Model managed to capture that detail. That's very nice. The headlamps, with that eyelash, mascara look to it. That's pretty sick. the number plate, the tow hook up front in green, the carbon fiber lip in front. That is pretty sick. That is pretty sick. The raw welt sticker on the windscreen. That is very nice. That is pretty crazy, man. This is really crazy. So I can't really see what branding it is on the wheels. They're just really very small. Okay, let's check out the back. Ooh, sorry about that. Let's check out the back. Ooh, look at that ass. Damn. Check that out. That is pretty nuts. That is pretty crazy. See how that detail on that back fender, that little wing at the back there, that silver dots. Initially I thought they were maybe some manufacturer defects, but when I look closely, right, they appear on both sides and on every car, so it's actually, you know, it's meant to be there. That is pretty cool. Okay, coming back to the back view again, look at the number plates detail, the exhaust, the brake lights, the third brake light. That is pretty crazy. Okay, so let's check out the interior. From the photos, it did look pretty crazy, and I would say it's really very well executed. Look at the details in there. On the steering wheel. Okay, let me see if I can show you a little bit more. Check out the steering wheel. There's a gear lever underneath there. It does look like there is some kind of pedal in there as well, but yeah, I can't really see it. I really like that safety belt detail in green. That is very nice. Check it out. That is very nice. That is really crazy. Okay, that's pretty crazy, man. Okay, a little detail on the door panel as well. That is crazy, man. It's crazy good. Okay, I wanted to show you guys underneath as well. This is a plastic base, okay, but look at that detail to the exhaust. Oh, I'm guessing, I think I know why they did this. It could be for the next release, the upcoming releases. It could be for that, so let's wait and see. But still, this thing is pretty sick, man. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Okay, so officially, as far as I know, right, there are no real classic Beetle RWB out there right now, real car one-to-one. The only one that I know that exists is the RWB Beetle, the modern Beetle, which was actually made collaboration between Tanner Faust, sorry, and Nakai and RWB Japan. So I think that was displayed at the SEMA 2014 show. So where is the car right now? I'm not exactly sure. If you do know, if you do have more information on that car, please do let me know in the comment section below, right? Cool. Okay, in the meantime, do hit the subscribe button, okay? Help me subscribe, okay, so that you don't miss on my diecast videos. Cool. And look at the black on this thing. Look at how it reflects the lights. That is pretty crazy, man. It almost has that mirror effect. Look at that. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So you can see a little bit of a caliper again, the red caliper inside. There's a disc brake in there. And then the strange thing is, look at that, it has RWB United Kingdom, okay? But I'm guessing these plates are Japanese plates. That's my guess. There's a tow hook on this one as well, in front in matte black. That is pretty sick. That's pretty sick. The wipers there. Okay, you can see a little bit of that copper roll cage as well. Sorry, I keep hitting the the camera stand. Sorry about that. Oh, look at the copper roll cage in there. It's pretty sick. Damn it. Damn. Okay, let's check out the back. Oh, again. Oh, that sexy fat ass. Damn. It's pretty crazy, man. This thing. Again, the indicative lights, and this time around, oh, look at that. Look at how that is being pulled off. This thing is crazy, man. This thing is crazy. Oh, look at that. Cool. Cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. Just noticed something. Oh, I wonder where did this come from? Some sort of dust or something. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is pretty sick. Damn it. Okay. So I do have a couple of these extras still. If you're interested, you can PM me on Facebook or Instagram. I am one of MCE's official logistic distributor based in Malaysia, and I do ship worldwide as well. So yep, you can actually get in touch with me, and we can arrange to get these Beetles to you. Cool. Okay, so yep, that's my what I want to share with you guys this time around. The two new crazy RWB Beetles that we have in a 1:64 scale. I will be taking more close-up photos of these guys and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, virtutoys.mj, and remember to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any of my awesome diecast videos. Alright, thank you very much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.